Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to Easy Money Show. If you see today's market movement, Nifty more or less was flat, but Nifty futures took right support at 15,700, and morning I was giving you a big caution saying like profit booking is on, keep your long positions very light, and I also told this will be a move towards 15,700. Even though there has been lot of 15,700 put options having sold, I told based on market profile I am telling a move towards 15,700 will come. And the conviction with which I told, irrespective of whatever OI built up has happened, and there has been a lot of puts which has been sold at 15,700, and I even told a move towards 16,000 will not happen in this week expiry. And today if you see Nifty futures, it is exactly 15,701. One point we were wrong in terms of our levels of 15,700 for such a huge index like Nifty. It is easy now to tell, yes, 15,700 has come in Nifty future, but then telling it before 9:15 today is what I call as research. Keeping this aside, see the underperformance in Bank Nifty. Even though at the close again we got that support of 15,700 on futures and market just came back, Bank Nifty really was very weak. There was a cutoff around 350 points on Bank Nifty, and clear underperformance in Bank Nifty was seen throughout the day, and market was more stock specific, and mid caps and small cap continue its outperformance in a stock specific basis. No doubt now the COVID cases are coming down in a huge way, and there is now getting out of the lockdowns seen in many states, and then vaccination drive coming up will now make a lot of sectors especially which were badly hit because of lockdown to make a bigger comeback right now. And let me today on chart check show you on screen the stock Sun Pharma Advanced Research. And if you see this stock Sun Pharma Advanced Research, this was one of the stocks which I did even recommend to you guys when it was closer to 220. Now let us see this chart, and I want each one of you to follow this very carefully. See, this was the strong support to stock which was at around 220, and I told you that at 220 any dips to these levels is a great buying opportunity, and this move which came already on Sun Pharma Advanced Research was backed by good volumes, and this also broke the important resistance which was seen earlier. Now I'm saying, see this level which is very critical, which is at 240. Now the stock has clearly given now another breakout above 240. People ask, how can you say this before breakout in this consolidation phase itself? That is what we call as research, and people who attended ZTM program can also understand how to study price volume relationship. That is what is very very important on the screen, and you can see even support of volumes which are there in this price breakout. Now 240 will be the place where I will keep a trailing stop loss. That means from my entry zone I still have a 20 rupee profit, and this stock has a long way to go. Identifying these type of stocks really require research skills. And now I want to also discuss and throw light on Adani Par. Look at this move on Adani Par, and people now ask, how can you say this big move? And we could tell that the moment this stock was at around 98, there was no breakout still, because the breakout zone was at around 108. 108 was the breakout zone, but at 98 itself, using the power of chart reading, we could say that yes, there is a move coming on Adani Power. And let me be very honest, I never expected 150 rupees to come in 3 days, a return of over 50% return just in equity market without even any F&O leverage. You could see here, and this came in just a 3 trading session. And there were a lot of students of my ZTM program telling learning for ZTM became free, and their entire investment was just taken care by Adani Power. Yes, this is the power of learning as well as earning both coming together. And thank you for so many of you who have given me the message on Adani Power. Now everyone has only one question on Adani Power: what next? Should I book my profit? Let me tell you, at 150 in Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, where during market hours I am giving live call, and in the description I have given you the link of my Twitter handle. I have already told people today at 150 to book profit on Adani Power. Now, let's say tomorrow Adani Power further goes to 170 or 165, 180, 200, wherever. Let me tell you, never ever try to catch the exact bottom and exact top of any stock. We are done with Adani Power, and I've even removed it from my terminal as a trader. And what people do is they have this fear of missing out, and many people ask me, can I buy Adani Power now at 150? What shall I say? Watch the video on margin of safety which I have uploaded already, which says buying Adani Power at 98 and buying Adani Power at 150 are not same, because Adani Power at 98 had lot of margin of safety, but Adani Power at 150 does not have margin of safety. Similarly, Sun Pharma advanced research, whatever I have given you, again go back and watch in our Easy Money show where I recommended Spark, which sparked today with a 10% up move. People now ask me, can I buy IRCTC? IRCTC, when I recommended to you, was at around 1900 rupee. Already it has given over 200 rupee move, and now you can even buy IRCTC, but the margin of safety of buying IRCTC at 1900 and buying it now at 2200 are not same. But I will always tell you, buy good stocks which are fundamentally strong and learn how to research these kinds of stock. And on high demand, people who want to get more and more learning and earning power can definitely register for the upcoming ZTM program, which is happening on June 25, 26, 27, and it will be a 3 complete day live program. You can even see on my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, all the feedback given by people who attended this program. Some of you who are now keen, very few seats are left out. I'll be closing the registrations very soon. Just visit www.ztmindia.com, which I've given down in the description, and you can register online and you get confirmation immediately online, both on mail as well as your final confirmation in the screen itself, and then earn by making tremendous amount of learning to pick these kinds of stock. So for me today, Spark is still having lot of Spark left. 240 will be the trailing stop loss which you will now keep and ride the position in Spark. Nifty already we have seen, and people ask, how do you get that Nifty call right? It is only purely based on market profile. I do my research, and I'm sure even profitable option series of video which I've been putting on my weekend show, and it is there in the playlist profitable option. Anyone who wants in detail learning of option, watch it one by one video which has been already uploaded to you free of cost. Keep learning to earn a lot, and you have now seen all the stocks which are flying, but then position sizing, stop loss, margin of safety, right stock selection, entry exit, all these are very important. And fear of missing out and the craze of trying to catch the exact bottom and top has to be left out. Develop a strong psychology and keep earning by learning. Signing off, Rudramurthy. See you with another show and with more information. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.